Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video let's do the unboxing and have a first look at this Asus ROG Phone 5. And you might be wondering what happened to the 4, because last ROG phone was the ROG Phone 3. I think the 3 ate the 4. Now we directly have the 5. So here it is, ROG Phone 5, it says over here. And this time it comes in various variants, guys. This is the standard variant. There will be also a pro and an ultimate variant, but I think so for most users this regular variant is more than enough. So here it is, and this will be powered by the Snapdragon 888. So comes in this box. So it's nice, magnetic, opens up like this. So here we have a different kind of a box, I would say. And ROG, those who dare, it says. And let me just open this. Might be a case. Yes, case is there. Some stickers are there. So ROG branded stuff, and we're getting this nice case. Let me just open it up. So yes, you're getting this case again, ROG branded, Republic of Gamers. And here is the handset itself. Let's just remove this also. Comes out like this. Looks similar to the ROG Phone 3. It's having a 6.78 inch screen. Back it's a little bit different. Let's just remove this. Okay, I'll just leave it. So we have that ROG stuff over here, and let's see what else do we get. There is supposed to be a new Aero Cooler also, guys, that actually I'll cover it in the later part of the next video. And this is a fast charger that they are giving, I mean Asus branded, and this is a 30 watt fast charger that is in the box, but the device supports up to 65 watt fast charging. And we get just a USB Type-C cable. That's it, nothing else in the box. So that's what it is. So let me keep these things to the side for now, and let's look at the handset itself. And let me give you a physical overview. Again, the build quality is really nice, very solid build. Back is also glass, front is also glass. This is supposed to be Gorilla Victus glass. And on the top, actually, we have nothing metallic, guys. And over here we have those air triggers. Again, this is supposed to have even better air triggers functionality. And here is the power on off button. Volume rocker. Power on off button is here. We have an extra microphone over here. Here is that second air trigger. You can actually split into two. So 2 buttons here, 2 buttons here. We now finally have a 3.5mm headphone jack. With the ROG Phone 3, they had removed this, and this is back. And now this is supposed to be a hi-fi DAC. It's supposed to have very high quality, high-res audio. It's a ESS Saber DAC. So those who know, you get high-res audio with this one. And here is a Type-C, for charging. And what is this? Oh, this is the SIM ejector stuff. Oh, looks fancy. Oh, nice. It's in different color. Let's remove it. And guys, it's just dual SIM nano. So no micro SD card expansion on this one. You'll get it in 2 variants. One is with 128 gigabytes, that will come with 8 gigabytes of RAM. There will be also one more variant with 12 gigabytes of RAM that will have 256 gigabytes of storage. And then you'll have that Pro and Ultimate that come with 5, 12 and 16 and 18 gigabytes of RAM. And here again, there is one more port over here to add those accessories and stuff here, and that Aero Cooler, etc. So you can charge it via this and even this, just like the older ROG phone. And here we have nothing. Back, it's a triple camera setup. This camera setup is exactly the same as the ROG Phone 3. It's still a 64 megapixel Sony IMX686. Then that 13 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel camera. And moving to the selfie camera, that's supposed to be 24 megapixel. So let me do one thing. Let me actually boot this up, and let me just set this up, and then we'll have a look. So guys, I've set up this device, so let's have a closer look at the same now. And again, I didn't change the default theme or anything, guys. And the first thing that I have to say is, and according to Asus, the display is really new. It's a custom display that was specifically made for this one by Samsung now, with 144 Hertz and 300 actually Hertz touch sampling on this one. And they told us, at least in the reviewers guide, that the display is really improved. Earlier, if ROG Phone 3 with low brightness and stuff used to have issues, but this, they say it has even DC dimming. So that should not be an issue. So it'll be interesting to see if that is fixed. That will be great. And also coming to the speakers, that's actually pretty improved on this one. And back you have this can actually glow. You can enable it or disable it. And guys, here are the specs for the same. It's running on the Snapdragon 888 SoC and other specs, as you can see. Now if we also have the in-display fingerprint scanner, and I have to say it has improved a little bit. Very responsive. Let's look under the hood, and if you go over here guys in system, and if you go to ROG phone, as you can see, it's running out of the box with Android 11. So that's actually a nice thing. So you're getting Android 11 out of the box on this smartphone. So that's actually a nice thing, guys. And if I go back over here, this is that 256 gigabyte variant, guys. I haven't installed anything, and it's showing me about 234 gigabytes. That is actually free on this one. So that's regarding the storage. And what they have done in terms of battery is, this still has a 6000 milliamp hour battery, but what they have done is they divided the batteries into two parts, 3000 and 3000, and actually the main chipset is here in the middle. So they say that that's why it can do faster charging, and also it won't become that hot while you are gaming. And also again, as it's ROG phone, if you have that 8 triggers, you can customize 2 over here. So that's and some slide functions also are there. I'll have to actually check it when I do some gaming with this one. Let's look at the speakers, because they say that has improved quite a bit on this smartphone. Let me just try to open YouTube, and let me just search for my own channel. Yeah, let's just switch. Oh, it's Wi-Fi, it's connected. Yeah. Wow, it's loud. Let me skip this. Certainly very, very loud. Can't skip this stupid ad. But yeah. So again, that's still the speakers here, and they're fairly loud on this one. Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and welcome to the second Q&A session of 2021. Last month we posted and guys, again, like the older ROG phone, the speakers are actually pretty loud, but what I could judge is that it also has slight bass from the speaker. So actually that's a nice thing. Another small touch that I've noticed is that when I was setting up the phone, the haptics actually seem to be even improved on this one. So that haptic feedback that we call is supposed to be really good. And regarding the cameras, guys, nothing has changed from the older ROG Phone 3. It's exactly the same setup, so I'm not expecting much difference over that one. But let me also talk about the other accessory that we have, that is this Aero Cooler. This is a separate accessory, guys. This you don't get with the phone, but they say this is a new one, in fact, for the ROG Phone 5. So let's open this up. Now here, this actually has 2 physical triggers. Oh, I have to finish the setup, but let me give you an idea first. Here we also have a fan over here, and big thing is that we have 2 physical triggers here also. So when you mount this, apart from these triggers that you have normally in the game, once this is attached here at the back like this, you also have these triggers over here. So again, I feel that gives you an edge in gaming. The more physical buttons that you have, for especially in FPS games and stuff, that makes a big difference. And Asus claims that if you put this fan obviously comes when the phone is warm while you're doing continuous gaming, it keeps it cool. So it's a nice accessory, but I don't know the pricing of this one. Let's hope the pricing is good. And we also have a small stand. Okay. So, wow, so you can prop this up, attached like this. So we also have a stand now on this one. So this is the new accessory. Guys, again, I don't know the exact pricing because posting the video before launch, I asked Asus official what would be the pricing, and they told me it will be competitively priced. So I don't know what that means, but I am just hoping the India pricing is close to what we had with the ROG Phone 3. Let's keep keep our fingers crossed for that. So guys, I don't want to talk a lot more about this one. I will actually test out this phone. I'll put my main SIM on this one, use it for a couple of days, and then come out with my full review. I'll also do some gaming and stuff, obviously, and let's also do a FAQ video on this one. So if you have any specific questions about this device, do let me know in the comment section below, and maybe after a week or 10 days I will actually post that FAQ video with your specific questions. So anyways guys, that's it for now for this video. This is Ranjit, and if you guys are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and take care guys.